Hi friends, I hope you all are doing great and I'm excited to bring my office reveal to you today, so let's get started. Okay friends, so I was put in a great position to be able to expand my office space a little bit because the suite next to mine became vacant. I have the most awesome landlord. He was like, I will do all the renovations to your specifications, and he even paid for it, which was amazing. And he did exactly what I wanted. Everything I wanted, he gave me, and he is just amazing. And so basically, the space had the two offices, the conference room, which they used as a file room, another bathroom. We're blocking off that door there that leads downstairs, and then an open space, a reception area. So the conference room was going to go in this file room that the previous tenants had used. And so I wanted to make it a conference room. And today I'm focusing on putting that space together. And then I'm going to do other videos sharing with you the other spaces. And you see, I wanted the doors widened into the conference room so that I could put French doors. And I definitely wanted French doors going into it. I thought it'd be a beautiful look and make the space look more open. They also needed to open up that wall there to combine the offices, along with putting in new flooring that would coordinate with our current flooring so that we had a seamless look between both of the offices. So it was really fun and exciting to be on this process. Along with painting the walls, I went with Sharon Williams pure white. I love for my office to be in all white, touches of wood to warm it up, and then touches of green to bring that earthy feel to it. I feel like it keeps it from feeling overwhelming. Everyone just kind of have an open airy space, and we love it. I also wanted recessed lighting throughout the office, just like in our main office. So this is our current office, and now you're walking into the new expansion, and now we're going into the conference room. So as you can see, the floor now fits my current office. The walls are all white. The blinds are looking fresh and new. We have our new lighting in the ceiling. This is the old space, which had the standard door, and now we have our French doors, and we have a brand new space to work with. So now for the fun part, putting the space together, and it all started with the conference room table. I wanted a table that didn't function only for meetings and things like that. I do a lot of conference calls, but I also work on a lot of projects and need to spread out often when I'm working on client projects and things like that. So this table is perfect. I found it on Amazon, very affordable, sturdy, and it had storage. The center part there, when you pull the two ends apart, you can store things down into the base. Along with, it has a leaf in there that has a hanger on the side if I want to shorten the table, so it's wonderful. I also wanted to keep the curtains neutral and the same as the other side of the office, our old side of the office, and I found these at Tuesday Morning, very budget friendly. I think I got the set for 19 bucks, and the curtain rod from Target. I love the look, very simple, very clean, and it's perfect for the space. Now, before I finish decorating the space and cleaning the space, I want to mention to you, because you all are always so excited about the Grove offer when we have that caddy. We all love that caddy. I love that they have a new version of it, and they only put their logo on one side so that if you want to label the back and, make it your own, you can. So the free offer this month is for the caddy, which we all love. And for anyone who is not familiar with the Grove, which many of you are already a part of the Grove, they are a service where you can get all your natural cleaning products sent to your home every month. You kind of set it up what you want when you want it. Such great customer service, such a great company. I have been a customer for years, and many of you are now love them and are customers. But the free offer that I have for my viewers this month is you can get the sponges, you can get the caddy, the white caddy there. You can also get the hand soap, the dish soap, and the multi-service spray from Mrs. Meyer's when you sign up and spend $20. If you spend $39, you also get that beautiful white porcelain tray that they have that you can sit by your sink for your dish soap and different things like that. And so for everyone who reached out to me about when the Grove free caddy was going to come back, it is back this month. So definitely, I'll put my link in the description box below and check it out. So my simple greenery from my old table that used to be in my office, which has been moved out, and I put the chairs together, which that was a task and a half, friends, but I did it. And it has a total of 8 chairs. And then the artwork. I went to Hobby Lobby, found this on clearance. The wood sticks with the theme of the office, and it's simple. I absolutely love this. And it says, "This must be the place." So I thought that was perfect for in here, and it wasn't too much, not too busy, and that's exactly the look I was going for, along with a clock, which I think is important, a conference room to keep you on task, especially when you have meetings and conference calls and things like that. And now to set up the beverage center, I use the Grove tray for my Tea Forte teas because I am putting my cafe cups in here on a tray that I got, a wood tray that I got from Home Goods. And so we can use it for coffee or teas, you know, whichever. And then also a lamp that I got from Home Goods and a small table that matches actually the conference room table. I found both of them, all of these, in Home Goods. And you all know how much I love Home Goods. So now for the fun part, the reveal. Now, before I took over the space, the previous tenants used it for their file room, but I knew I wanted a conference room. I needed a conference room, not only for daily conference calls and team meetings, but to spread out when I'm working on client projects, along with I'm starting to do small workshops in my office, in my local area, on things like Planner 101 and different kind of home organization things. And if you're in my area, I'll keep you posted on that. Definitely let me know in the comments if you live in my area. So friends, I love the conference room. It is just what I wanted, and it's just what I imagined. And thank you so much for being on this journey with me, because if it were not for you, I wouldn't be able to follow my dreams and have this space. So thank you so much for that, because my business has been just such a huge blessing for me. And this is the space that combines both the old and the new office together, and I'm going to show it all to you throughout the next couple of videos. So I hope you will enjoy. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey. Also, don't forget about the Grove offer, and I'll link all the things I can think of that were in this video in the description box below. Have a beautiful day, my friends. I will see you at the next video. And this is Nikki saying goodbye.